Hey Adam and Chow, I wanted to show you how to add a Flipgrid assignment on Canvas in case you hadn't figured it out already. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is go into Flipgrid. So it's just flipgrid.com and make an account with your PPS email. Okay, then what you'll want to do is go up to your little icon in the top right corner and click on integrations. All right, and so this is the customer key and the shared secret that you'll need to link your Flipgrid account with Canvas. Okay, now I've added all of my assignments for patterns physics, so I'm going to do this in my IB Physics 1-2. Okay, but the next thing that you need to go to is in your Canvas, go to Settings, and then up to Apps. Okay, and there are a whole list of apps, and you can type in Flip. Okay, there's Flipgrid. The annoying thing is if you've got multiple courses, you're going to have to add this multiple times, but if you're just doing this for patterns physics, you'll add Flipgrid to your patterns physics courses. You will paste that customer key, and then I'm going to go back and share or copy the shared secret and paste that, and then we'll add the app to our Canvas. Cool. And so you should see all of the apps that you've loaded onto your Canvas so far. All right. So let's go back to modules. You don't have to do anything really in Flipgrid right now. All right, so let's go to the module that you want to add your Flipgrid assignment to and click the plus, new assignment. Now, whatever you name this assignment will be what it is named in Flipgrid. So let me call this period 3 introductions. Okay, and I want to indent it. All right, so we're going to add that assignment. All right, so there it is, and we can go fill with the assignment, edit. All right. Okay, introduce yourself using Flipgrid below. All right, let's pretend that we want to make it 1 point just so that we can have a record of completion. And then you want to go down here. I believe that you can do this with a plugin, but the way that I've done it is when you go to submission type, click external tool. Flipgrid. Okay, and that doesn't really help. You have to scroll down and find Flipgrid and select it. Okay, and you can either choose to load this tool in a new tab, or and so if you click on this, it'll give the students a link, and then it will open in a new tab. If you don't click this, it will be embedded in your Canvas. And so I think it's okay that this one is embedded in Canvas. We don't really need the real estate on the screen. Okay, and then this I named period 3 introductions, I think, right? Yep. So I'm going to assign it to period 3, and I've got my period 3 on Thursday. Whoops. So I'll have it due the following Thursday, available from this Thursday until next Thursday. All right, so even if you publish this, the assignment won't be available for the students to view until the available from day. Okay, and so I think this will be good. I'm going to save. Right. And I don't want to include period 4. All right, so when it's saved, it'll connect in the window. Create a course group. Cool. All right, so now you're in here. You can do a few things, right? You can edit, period 3 introductions, whatever you want to say. I've got that. Whoops. I had it to paste. Here, let me go back into my Flipgrid. Patterns, physics, introductions. Okay, so I am having them introduce themselves with their name, their pronouns, and what their song of the summer was. And then I give them a way, if they don't want to show their faces, they can upload a photo. There are also ways to put an emoji over your face, and you know what? Whatever. I'm also having them leave a kind, positive comment for 2 other classmates' videos. Okay. The last thing that I'm going to do is down here it says video moderation, and you can choose whether to do this or not. But I'm going to, just because there are some super inappropriate songs that came out this summer, and I just, I would like to not get fired. All right, so update topic. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Oh, no, I can do that here. So here there's period 3 introductions. And you can add some cutesy little cute. It can be your face, it can be a video, you can upload it from Google. So it can search for a GIF, like a hi GIF. And you can cute puppy, Napoleon Dynamite, Rachel, whatever. I'm kind of partial to our friend Ralph Wiggum. Okay, so I'm going to choose that one. Oh, but there's Stefan. Oh. Nope, Ralph. Okay, and then select. Boom. Update. And so when the kids log in, they'll be able to see the instructions, cute little Ralph waving at them, and then there'll be a place for them to record a response. I personally recorded my own response, but you don't want to do that for every single period. So once you record one, you can copy it over to other assignments. So let me go to my full Flipgrid here. So this was my period 8 introductions. And look, there's my face. I introduced myself. You can take that and you can duplicate your response. To whatever assignment you want. Okay. So then when I go back here into Canvas, if I refresh, period 3 introductions, instructions, cute little Ralphie. Okay, and look, there is my face and my response. Okay, and I'm going to make that active. Okie dokie. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I've also added you as co-pilots on my Flipgrid, so you can copy and paste if you want. All right, bye-bye.